Hello guys, I'm Sachthemotive. Let me motivate you. I bought a ukulele. This one is the Martin Smith UK 212 Soprano ukulele, black, product code, and then yeah. The product code is UK212BK. So here it is. Let's unbox it. Let's go. It's not too bad on price. It's about £25. Nice budget, especially for beginners. Ta-da! There it is. That looks very nice. Wait, hold on. That looks so good. So it comes with a bag. It's got a good weight to it as well. Nice finish. It's quite solid. For £25, this is really good. Oh, you got the Martin Smith. Let me tune it. 1 second. And then you get the bag. That's a nice bag. I like that. Couple of notebooks. Chord book. Oh, they got a chord book. That's pretty cool. There's a chord book in there. Okay, let me tune this up and let's see how it sounds. Alright, so it's been tuned. That's how it sounds. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. I'm Sachthemotive. So comment below, like this video. That's it. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.